because Valentine's coming. Where's your boyfriend? Hi guys, mugaba mutabalunja batulaba ku PBS Telefina elinyanze Shax Ronah Morgan. Lero mbaleetedde Valentine. Gwenga gwatuliriza n'atulaba. Valentine ogimanyiiko ki? Katulaye buli omu ky'anaatugamba. Hi. Hello. How are you?
Nikke, how are you?
I'm fine. My name is Ronah, and you? Die. Tugudde ku boss. Erinnya lyo gwani?
Ambita Mukasa Patrick.
Mukasa Patrick. Ngatsanso kula ku PBS.
Sanso bala banange. Bujomba uyabulize.
Batwogerako ekyeyo.
Betobiside mba mujikola ateja ddala mutabula.
Amina. Kakati Mr. Patrick. Munnaye Valentine gwenga gwogitegeera otya?
Who is Valentine?
Olunaku lwe bateekawo lw'abaagalana mu mwezi gwa February nga 14. Mama abaana takugigamako. Olunaku
nasooka olya Valentine. Valentine yali mama wange yangwira ebirabo nga bingi nga gamunaku lwe omwana wange omulenzi gwensinga okwagala. So nange nsubira ubanga byakwagala nga wogambye nange nsubira okuba ku mama wange kyemmuwa kuba Valentine manyi olunaku lwabaaga tuliko omuntu nti ono oyagalani. Nsubira okuba mama wange ekintu kyonna.
Kitegeeza sirwa husband and wife.
Abantu bakikwata bwe abazungu bateekawo kusiima muntu ogwosinga okwagala.
Okategedde akantu ako?
Ate nekirangalo abazungu baleeta obuzibu obwo ate wadde buno omwana wa Uganda ayinza n'okubba abeeko omuntu gwawe ate nga tayina. So nsubira okuba nti singa ngamba nti olunaku lw'abaagalana omuntu yandibadde asobola okukola ekisoboka kyonna okusanyusa omuntu yenna gwawera gwayagala. Manyi kati nga mwe bakola ku TV gye mubeera so okugamba nti omwe yankonekitinga nenfuna omulimu ate nsobola okulwana nabako kyambeererawo omuntu wandibadde olina kyomugulira omwebaza nga akyali mulamu n'aba Valentine wo. Lwakyo sigenda ate kusanga bwana buno obubakwanakwana n'okawekero ne kamala ne kakusuulawo.
Abalabi bafa ba PBS TV kikulekawa okitegedde mbu Mr. Patrick atugambye Valentine si abaagalana bokka aba husband and wife oba girlfriend and boyfriend wabula mbu ne mama ne tato osobola ogimuwa sister osobola ogimuwa brother so ogimuwa katuwulirize kuva ku bana eno. Hi. Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good.
Yeah, my name is Ronah from PBS.
Okay.
Yeah, and you?
I'm Sunday.
You're Sunday. So Sunday, we have a simple question here. How do you understand Valentine?
Valentine, I think it is a day dedicated to love, to show love to people that you love. It can be your girlfriend, boyfriend, your mom, dad, and your friends and all.
Okay. So whom are you gifting this time around?
Not really. I don't have anyone around, but I would dedicate that Mother's Day to my mom. And
send your greetings to Mama.
Mama, I love you so much. Thank you for...
Ye mama bamuwereza obo flying kisses naye nga tuvudde ku Sunday atugambye naye tayawukanye ku Mr. Patrick nti Valentine teli ku girlfriend and boyfriend oba husband and wife wabule isobola ogenda ku parents, friends and whoever that you love. Okay, hello. How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm good. My name is Ronah from PBS.
My name is Diana Clement.
Wow. Diana Clement, turn from camera. Yes, so I have a simple question.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, how do you understand Valentine?
I see Valentine is a day of lovers. It can be family, friends, or anyone close to you.
Okay. So whom are you gifting this time?
For this time, I think my mom, my dad, and my little one.
Since you're a girl, I have another question.
Okay.
Is it a must for a boy to gift a girl?
Yeah, it's a must. Like, why not?
Is it a must for a girl to gift a boy?
No, it's not a must. Remember, even the Bible says men should give women, like men should provide to women. So what gift a man? Like, why?
Like why? Okay, PBS viewers, mwena mukiwulidde why. Naye me I suggest. I think gifts techimatteringa kwani. How do you understand Valentine?
Valentine?
Yeah.
It's the day of Valentine, I think it's the day of people who are in love, people who want to show their loved ones people want to show their close friends what love is. That's why I can understand the Valentine.
Okay. So would you gift someone because that person gifted you last time, or you do it from your heart?
I do it from my heart.
That's good. So this time round, who are you gifting?
I'm gifting my wife now.
Send greetings to your wife.
I send greetings to my wife, Stella.
Stella, wherever you are, they have sent greetings.
Yeah, she's the only one I have.
Such men banange. Also, wabanga jolieyo, oja kusobola like to mention my name that way. You're welcome. Come with me. Alright, abalayi ba PBS Television nga tukyeyongerayo n'ebibuuzo byaffe ebitono bye tuzze nabyo olwaleero. We have ky'o manyi ku Valentine. Leero nsanze some gentleman ali very smart. You're looking smart.
Thank you.
Thank you for presenting some men.
Thank you.
Alright, my name is Shax Ronah from PBS.
My name is Mulondo Emmanuel Kisamot, aka Dr. Mek.
Dr. Meg.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Dr. Mek, it symbolizes my name's Mulondo Emmanuel Kiza.
So, okay. A short form like Shax Ronah Morgan, you get?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Yeah. So, Dr. Mek, how do you understand Valentine?
Valentine is all about expressing love. Expressing love. But of course, if we go back to the origin of the word Valentine, it started with a priest called Valentine or Valentino.
Yeah.
He tried to bring out the aspect of marrying or wedding married couples, which was by then not prohibited by the Roman Empire. But now for him, he used it to wed couples in a sacred way. Okay. So that's how it expanded. It expanded into the sign of love. That's why even up to now we celebrate love.
So the people who celebrate Valentines with their parents, they are wrong?
Not really, because as I told you that it expanded from marriage to even your loved one. If you have someone who has been influential in your life, it could be your relative, your mother, your father, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, it's okay. As long as you're in love with that person. Exactly. Okay. It does not mean just intimacy, no.
So who are you gifting this time around?
I'm still looking into that. I have many, but of course I have to choose one. My mother is the first priority, of course. So the mother is taking the girlfriend's position? Nchali single.
But mother, stop lying, doctor.
Nchabulidwa omuntu andowooza.
So is your box open?
I wouldn't want to say that it is open, but it's soon to be open.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, ladies, bw'obanga oli eyo, like you're looking for. Ate nga oli serious.
Ate nga toli ready kunkwabula.
A representative, please. Temutulekerera.